Hi guys, my name's Annika and we're gonna get the pizza. I got this from Papa Murphy's and we're gonna see what's in here. This is a cheese pizza and this is from Papa Murphy's. What we have in the box is some instructions, the pizza and the rest of the stuff, and a tattoo. So we're gonna put the box aside. And I'm gonna use this placemat and I'm gonna put it on here so nothing makes a mess. So with the instructions, first we should bake the pizza with an adult. So when you're gonna put this in the oven, make sure an adult helps you. So now I'm gonna get a spoon and get everything opened. But first I'm just gonna open this and let's see what's in here. So we have a mozzarella box and another one. And we have some sauce. And we have something in here. And it's the pizza dough. So let's get the pizza dough out. You don't need a plate because they already have a plate in here. How do I open this? I think there's a part open in here. Oops, it fell. It's almost opened. Oh no! I can't open it. Almost open. Okay, it's opened. And all we need now is a spoon. But first, we're going to read the instructions now. Okay, so here's the tray. And now I'm going to open up my sauce. And I got my spatula here. You can use a spoon or a fork also. I'm just going to keep on spreading. You can save some if you want, but I'm not. I'm going to have a nice cheese pizza. You can get these at Papa Murphy's, or you can get these, or you can buy them. I can put a second layer on here. And now it's time to put the cheese and get all messy. Oops. And now we're gonna put the cheese on here. Yay! I'm gonna put some here. I wanna eat some now. And make sure to put her sleeves up. I forgot to say that. And we're gonna keep on putting some mozzarella cheese. And when the box is done, and when you feel like you have enough cheese, you can stop and then save the next box. That's enough cheese now. So now my dad, your dad or mom can put it in the oven. And let's see how many minutes. So now this is the product we made. It's pizza, so good. I'm gonna pick what my sister is gonna have, and I'm gonna pick what I'm gonna have. So you can add more cheese, or you can add the cheese you have, and you can add different kinds of cheeses onto the pizza. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna eat it, and I have 8 slices on the pizza. So 8 slices. You can do as much slices as you want if you have a big pizza. So yeah, here's the pizza, and yeah, it looks good. And it's time to eat. Let's see what my sister thinks. See you guys next time. Bye!